Good morning, you listen to FloorDaily.net, and I'm Kemp Harr. This morning my guest is Melissa Marney, who is the Western Region Sales Manager with Crossville Tile. Melissa, how you doing?
Great today. How are you?
I'm good. So I've got you down in San Diego today, right?
Yes, that's absolutely right.
Okay. And your region is what, all of California? What is your area?
So I have Washington and Oregon, as well as Montana, Idaho, going into Wyoming, Colorado, California, Nevada, Arizona, and I just picked up Texas and Oklahoma as well.
Oh, my
We're
God.
spanning the Western Division.
All right. Okay. And in your role with Crossville, do you call mostly on A&D or facility end users? Who do you call on?
I actually do a combination of both. I call on the distributors directly, as well as make joint calls into architectural and design firms, as well as end users and national accounts.
And you've been with Crossville for 7 years.
Yes, it's a fantastic company. We're family-owned. We're one of the largest manufacturers in North America that is still privately held.
It looks like you've spent most of your career after college in the tile business. How'd you get in the tile business?
So I was originally applying for a job to live in Denver, and I was calling to different manufacturers, and Tile picked me up, and I started with Bedrosians and actually stayed in San Diego at the time. They said, why don't you get started with us and see how it goes?
Yeah.
And after about a year, I said, I love it. I'm staying here. I'm not moving. So I ended up staying in San Diego and building my career from there.
Well, you've been in the news lately because Crossville has been named the exclusive tile supplier to Gensler's new hotel design lab in San Francisco. Tell us first, what is Gensler's new hotel design lab?
So they have featured an area where they showcase hospitality design and products to the A&D community, and they're focusing on innovative design and new trends in hospitality, such as ambient wellness, design science, new millennial configurations, luxury hospitality. And so they partnered with HF Collection and began designing a concept of hospitality in different areas within the hospitality design to be a live lab that people can come and see, and the architects and designers can come for education, learning, network, and really building professional relationships.
Tell me a little bit more about the space.
HF Design is actually heading up the space, but it's a partnership that we are formatting with Gensler designed the space for us, and it is in the heart of the design district in downtown San Francisco. It's over 5,000 square feet, and it features Crossville tile collections throughout in different vignettes. They have furniture. Their Toto is also a partnership of this. So it's just leading designers, manufacturers, and artists throughout, showing functional hotel vignettes for the community to learn.
Okay, hotel vignettes. And is it both public space and room vignettes?
Yes, we have some boutique bathrooms. We have a boutique corner that's showing a different bathroom along with furniture. We have a hostel upstairs that allows you to see a hostel workspace as well as a play area and kind of a bunk bed situation. We have a luxury corner where we're showing how this experience is providing to more of the status and the physical products of a fluid luxe look in the new hospitality spaces.
Okay. Now, I've been in that design area of San Francisco. I actually went to a combination Delta Mohawk. Is it over there in that space near the Bay Bridge?
I'm not sure where they're located, but we're actually in the heart of the design district in San Francisco.
All right, very interesting. So how did you become the exclusive supplier to it?
Lorraine Francis with Gensler in Newport Beach was designing the space, and we had spoken to her about it, and we were industry partners with Toto Toilets. They were initiated into this space. So we went and spoke with her. She loves the Crossville designs, and it was just a great way for us to partner with hospitality industry leaders and provide an innovative venue for great design and a space that we could have gathering events, we could do education, and we were just really honored to be part of the collaboration with Gensler.
And this establishes Gensler as kind of the trend leader for hospitality design in the area?
Yes, I mean, they are absolutely. They have a range of designs, an evolving hospitality industry that is constantly changing, and it was just a great collaboration of manufacturers as well as their interior designers and experience in this market. And they brought in also, they work with a lot of boutique hotel owners and different firms. So it was a great combination of people coming together.
So the intended audience for this lab is these properties and other design firms that design for these properties, right?
Yes. So hotel owners, hotel developers, architects and designers that work on hospitality areas. This is a great lab for them to come and collaborate together.
And what are some of the trends we're seeing? Because we do an article on this topic at least once a year in Floor Focus. We're seeing more hard surface, soft surface just kind of around the bed if there's any. So where's tile being used in these new forward-looking designs?
Sure. We even have a case study online of of the Archer Hotel project, but the hard surface is being used in the hotel rooms. And like you said, there will be carpet and soft surface around the actual bed and then tiles surround that area.
Yeah.
It just allows for clean, maintenance to be much faster,
right.
And as well as the restrooms. We're showing it. We have large porcelain Crossville's porcelain panel, the thin gauge panel program, combine a beautiful aesthetic with long-lasting functional durability. So we're covering 32 square feet with one panel, so it's ideal for fireplaces, lobbies, entryways. It just allows for a low-maintenance product with minimal grout joints. So we're coming into areas that tile typically was not used previously.
So with thin gauge porcelain, you're not just talking about floors. You're on floors and walls and all kinds of places, right?
Absolutely. The new hospitality trend is focused on ambient wellness, fluid luxury, as well as small and secondary hostel trends for millennials. And the Crossville porcelain panels, are being used in varying areas across the board.
And this is the laminum product, right?
Correct.
And so if somebody wants to see this lab, is it online somewhere where you can take a look through it too?
Yes, it can be found at www.hoteldesignlaboratory.com.
Okay. So www.hoteldesignlaboratory.com.
Correct.
Melissa, congratulations on this project you've been working on. Again, been talking to Melissa Marney, the Western Region Sales Manager with Crossville Tile, and you've been listening to Kempar and FloorDaily.net.